welcome if this is your first time visiting. Welcome if you're returning. Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So today we're doing a Trader Joe's haul. And so this is about $230. So for Trader Joe's, I generally go like once every month and a half, every 2 months. So I kind of get a lot, but this stuff is most of it goes in the freezer, so it saves well. And especially, because I like the Trader Joe's freezer stuff, especially for me, I now am feeding one person and it just makes it pretty easy. And I know that that's something that eventually I need to talk about. I keep getting asked questions because of no more wedding rings and whatever. It's been a rough 2 years. I'm not quite ready to talk about it yet, but eventually I will. And once everything's said and done, I'll talk about it, okay? But anyways, so, this is like a Trader Joe's haul for, you'd feed a family with this easily, but this is for one. And but it lasts a very long time, so I just buy a lot of stuff that goes in the freezer, and it makes it quite easy for me. So no particular order, I'm just going to go through the bags. And I did also get some pretty good plants, but there's a lot of things that I just really like. So we'll start with this. So this is the spaghetti cacio e pepe, and it's a spaghetti and pasta creamy sauce with cheese and black pepper. And this is great, and I love it because it comes in like little nests, and I'll pull out what I need, cook it, and then the rest, I just clip it up and it's good. Once I open the bags, I'll generally put them in like a 5-gallon freezer bag, and it's good. And then I've got cheese sticks, great in the air fryer. So this stuff is great. I don't necessarily buy non-dairy for the fact that I want non-dairy, but this is just really good. It's a brown sugar oat creamer. So this like cold brew coffee, this tastes like the Starbucks brown sugar oat coffee, right? So I just, leftover coffee, put it in the refrigerator, let it get cold. I add this to it, and it's wonderful. So there's another one that I really like in cold coffee, and it's an almond. It's blueberry lavender. My Trader Joe's that I go to, I should say my store, because I'm an hour away. That's why, my bags are starting to get a little moisture. And I usually take my cold bags with me, and I forgot today. But it's, they were out of it, but it's really good too if your Trader Joe's has it. It's a blueberry lavender, so good in cold coffee. And then I got tzatziki sauce. They do also make a non-dairy that I've heard was really good. I don't have a problem with dairy, so I get regular. And then this is everything but the bagel yogurt dip, so good. And then the tangerine juice, so much better than orange juice. I can only drink a little bit at a time. It's not as sweet as orange juice, but I still can't drink a lot at once, but this stuff is so good. And then I've got the mini beef tacos. These are great. Again, just stick them in a freezer bag once I open them, but I could take a couple out at a time, throw them in the air fryer. So like I said, this lasts me, this shopping trip will last me for easy a month and a half, 2 months. And I'll only have to buy like fresh stuff at Publix, like fruit, vegetable, whatever. Coconut shrimp, so good. And then boom boom shrimp, so good. And then this is just a little tomato medley. I love these. I eat these as a snack, and I'll eat these also with like some of my dips. This is the broccoli and kale slaw. It's got like little nuts with it. This stuff is so good. tomatoes. And then this is a colorful cauliflower mix. Love this. And then these are the rosemary almonds. My favorite. These are so good. Now, I have not tried this before, but my friend picked this up and said that it is so good, told me to try it. It's watermelon and cucumber cooler. And then when I picked it up, when I was paying, the girl was like, this stuff is good. Broccolini, love broccolini. And then tri-colored carrots. So these I take and I make these into 3 different servings, and then I freeze 2 of the servings. So I've never had these. These are the pickled pups. My girlfriend that told me to get the cooler also told me that these are super good. So it's like a little hot dog with like a pickle coating. And then chicken asada, very good. And then I love these. So these are like little spiral pizzas. Serving size is 4 and it's 220 calories. I will a lot of times only do 2 and then like with a salad, and they're really good. And then again, keep them in the freezer. Butter chicken. This is like the perfect serving size for 1 person. Butter chicken, and it's got rice with it, and it is so good. And then this is barbecue teriyaki chicken, and I love these bags because I can take a serving out for myself and then just keep them in the freezer. And I got 2 of those. And then mashed potatoes, and I like these because again, I can just pull out a portion and then like keep them in the freezer, put them in, you know, a little bag, and they, you know, stay for a while. So this, you know, lasts me for quite a bit. Now, funny story with the salmon, I actually got 2 of these, and the guy was going to get some more bags, and I think he was like a manager or whatever, and he was helping. He was going to get some more bags, and he had mine, the other one, in his hand. She already rang it up, and then he set it on the counter to pick up more bags. Well, somebody came over, and so he opened the register and rang them, and he put mine in their bag, and I could see on the lady's face, I'm watching her, and I could see on her face like she knew she didn't pay for that, and she was very fine to let him put it in there, and like you could see on her face she knew. And I was like, you know what, if you are at a place where you're gonna let somebody just give you $4 fish that you didn't pay for, you probably need it more than I do, and I just chose not to say anything. I'm like, you know what, maybe the lady like needed it. She was only getting a couple vegetables, and you know what, maybe she needed the salmon. So I can afford to give somebody $4 salmon if they need it bad enough that they're gonna not pay for it. And then the Kahlua pork spring rolls. I don't like microwave. These are gross. In the oven, they're good. In the air fryer, they're really good. So I would only put these in the air fryer. And then this is chicken shawarma, which I love, and I think this is a great price. It's $10.50 for this. So like when it comes time, I'll cook this, and then what's left I'll freeze as cooked chicken. And then this is good with the tzatziki on on a pita. Thank you. And then I got 2 of these because I really like them. And then this one is the bulgogi, the Korean marinated meat. I have not had this one before. And then this one is the balsamic rosemary beef steak tips. And this one is really good. Now this one's a little bit more expensive. It's $15.50, but for me, this makes like 3 servings, and this with the mashed potatoes and then the carrots, like it's perfect. And when you think it's 3 meals, it really isn't bad. And then this is the Power of Purple. I love this. So it's Power of 7 Purple, and it is pomegranate, tart cherry, black mulberry, red grape, purple carrot, cranberry, and blueberry. This stuff is so good. And it's got iron, calcium, potassium, fiber. There's no added sugar. There's 25 sugars in it, but they're natural sugars. So 130 calories for 8 ounces, 4 servings in here. And then love these, so peach halves, and they're in white grape juice. So this stuff is so good. Love these. And then the crunchy chili onion, I like this. And I'll put it with like some soy sauce and make like a nice little sauce for like my teriyaki. And I've not tried these before. They're organic pineapple chunks in pineapple juice. It's got potassium, iron, calcium, only 1 gram of fiber, but you know, I haven't tried them, but I think they're pretty good. And then I did get some plants. So this was actually probably $45 of my, $230. But I got a banana plant. So I'm gonna see if I can't grow a banana tree. And then I got this beautiful plant. And I got an olive plant, an olive tree. And then I got 3 little succulents. How pretty are these? And they're only $3.99 each. As I'm throwing it out, poor little succulent. So super nice. And that's it. That's my entire haul. And I hope you found something that maybe you like. And if you have any questions on any of the products, like how they taste or anything, let me know and I'll answer for you. All right, thank you, friends. I'll see you later. Bye.